You are particularly privileged to be in the WhatsApp group Startup Fundraising Coaching and eBooks with a team of business professors and established entrepreneurs who have impeccable track records in creating and managing multi-million-dollar thriving startups. This makes it imperative that we absorb every bit of insight we can gather here if our fledgling startups are to one day grace the pages of Forbes and the global platform. From Y Combinator to Techstars, the door is open if we can walk the path from concept ideation to final execution. If you are not a member, click the link in the description below to join now. First of all, click that subscribe button and stay tuned to the end. This is what you need to hear to be the next top entrepreneur. You also need to share this with friends so that you can walk the path of success with people you cherish. In the dynamic world of startups, the ability to effectively raise funds is not just a desirable trait but a critical determinant of success. Today, we will delve into the multifaceted reasons why honing your fundraising skills is imperative and how it can propel your startup to new heights. The imperative of fundraising skills. Fundraising is the lifeblood of startups. It provides the necessary capital to transform innovative ideas into tangible products or services. But beyond the infusion of capital, the process of fundraising offers several pivotal benefits. 1. Validation of your business concept. Securing funding serves as a litmus test for your business idea. Investors conduct thorough due diligence, assessing the viability, scalability, and market potential of your concept. Their willingness to invest is a strong endorsement, signaling that your idea holds promise and addresses a genuine market need. 2. Access to valuable networks. The fundraising journey introduces you to a network of investors, mentors, and industry experts. These connections can open doors to strategic partnerships, customer acquisition channels, and additional funding opportunities, all of which are instrumental in accelerating your startup's growth. 3. Fueling growth and innovation. Adequate funding provides the resources needed to develop your product, hire talent, and implement marketing strategies. It enables you to scale operations and innovate, staying ahead in competitive markets. 4. Enhancing credibility. Backing from reputable investors adds credibility to your startup. It signals to the market that your business has been vetted and deemed worthy of investment, attracting customers and partners. 5. Navigating economic challenges. In times of economic uncertainty, having secured funding can provide a buffer, allowing your startup to weather challenges without compromising on strategic goals. Mastering the art of fundraising. To effectively raise funds, entrepreneurs must develop a comprehensive fundraising strategy that encompasses several key components. 1. Crafting a compelling pitch. Your pitch is the first impression investors will have of your startup. It should succinctly convey your value proposition, market opportunity, business model, and growth strategy. A compelling pitch tells a story that resonates with investors, highlighting the problem your startup solves and the impact it aims to make. 2. Building a solid business plan. A well-structured business plan provides a roadmap for your startup's growth. It should detail your market analysis, competitive landscape, revenue model, marketing and sales strategies, and financial projections. This plan demonstrates to investors that you have a clear vision and a strategic approach to achieving your objectives. 3. Identifying the right investors. Not all investors are the same. It's crucial to research and target investors whose interests and expertise align with your industry and business model. Building relationships with the right investors increases the likelihood of securing funding and gaining valuable mentorship. 4. Demonstrating traction. Investors seek evidence that your startup is gaining momentum. This can include user growth, revenue milestones, strategic partnerships, or product development progress. Demonstrating traction validates your business model and reduces perceived investment risk. 5. Negotiating terms. Understanding the terms of investment is essential to protect your interests and maintain control over your startup. Key terms to consider include valuation, equity stake, board composition, and exit strategies. It's advisable to consult with legal and financial advisors to navigate these negotiations effectively. The role of startup accelerators. Startup accelerators, such as Y Combinator and Techstars, play a significant role in the fundraising landscape. These programs offer mentorship, resources, and funding in exchange for equity. Participating in an accelerator can provide mentorship, access to experienced entrepreneurs and industry experts who can guide you through the challenges of building a startup. Networking opportunities, connections to a network of investors, partners, and alumni who can open doors and provide support. Credibility, association with a reputable accelerator can enhance your startup's credibility and attract investor interest. Structured program. The accelerators offer structured programs that help startups refine their business models, develop products, and prepare for fundraising. Case studies. Success through fundraising. Examining successful startups can provide valuable insights into effective fundraising strategies. 1. Airbnb. Airbnb's founders initially struggled to raise funds, facing rejection from numerous investors. However, by leveraging their user base and demonstrating traction, they secured seed funding from Y Combinator. This support enabled them to scale their platform, leading to subsequent funding rounds and eventual global success. 2. Dropbox. Dropbox utilized a demo video to showcase its product, generating significant user interest before launch. This approach demonstrated market demand and attracted the attention of investors, leading to substantial funding that fueled its growth. 3. WhatsApp. WhatsApp focused on user growth and product excellence, keeping operations lean. Their impressive user engagement metrics attracted investment from Sequoia Capital, providing the resources needed to scale before its acquisition by Facebook. 4. Funeral Notebook. Funeral Notebook is a comprehensive platform that allows you to post obituaries, receive funds globally, update funeral programs, download eulogies, stream live funerals, and receive condolences and tributes, all in one place. It simplifies the process of honoring your loved ones by providing these essential services seamlessly. Funeral Notebook quickly gained attraction and got support from individual venture capitalists in Texas, Kenya, and Canada. Common fundraising challenges and how to overcome them. While fundraising is essential, it comes with its set of challenges. 1. Investor rejection. Rejection is a common part of the fundraising process. To overcome this, seek feedback from investors to understand their concerns and refine your pitch and business model accordingly. 2. Valuation disagreements. Disagreements over valuation can stall negotiations. It's important to have a realistic understanding of your startup's worth and be prepared to justify it with data and market comparisons. 3. Equity dilution. Raising funds often requires giving up equity, which can dilute your ownership. To mitigate this, consider alternative funding sources such as convertible notes or revenue-based financing. 4. Maintaining focus. The fundraising process can be time-consuming, potentially diverting attention from business operations. To manage this, delegate responsibilities within your team and set clear fundraising timelines to balance both activities. Alternative funding sources. Beyond traditional venture capital, several alternative funding sources can support your startup. 1. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow you to raise small amounts of capital from a large number of people. This approach not only provides funding but also validates your product idea and builds a customer base. 2. Angel investors. Angel investors are individuals who provide capital for startups in exchange for equity or convertible debt. They often offer valuable mentorship and industry connections. 3. Grants and competitions. Various organizations offer grants and host competitions that provide non-dilutive funding to startups. Research opportunities relevant to your industry and apply to gain both funding and exposure. 4. Bootstrapping. Self-funding your startup through personal savings or revenue can help you maintain control and avoid dilution. While challenging, bootstrapping instills financial discipline and can make your startup more attractive to investors later on. The importance of financial management. Effective financial management is crucial in the fundraising process. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and hit the notification bell. It helps us bring more and helps you get only the best and in time. Click the next video, the free startup fundraising course, and jump into the path of prosperity.